Hello, my name is Hansel Fabian Vargas Bustos. Students Program Software Analysis and Development. Evidence Technology as an Evolutionary Process. Video. Institución SENA. Introduction. Technology is constantly evolving in academic and work environment. Company and professional must adapt to market changes. Innovation improves products, service, and productivity. Evolutionary versus revolutionary technology. Revolutionary technology improves existing tools gradually. Evolutionary technology creates new ways for working. Both types impact software development and business processes. Example in software development. Revolutionary uptake in programming language and frameworks. Revolutionary improvement in cloud computing services. Revolutionary artificial intelligence and mobile technology. Cultural, cultural changes in the workplace. Remote work and virtual collaboration tools. Agile methodologies and teamwork, continuous learning and adaptability. Impact of mobile and innovative tools. Mobile technology allows access to information anywhere. New tools improve communication and efficiency. Innovation increases competitiveness in the market. Conclusion. Technology is an evolutionary process in academic and work contexts. New tools transform how we learn and work. Adapting to innovation is essential for professional growth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Goodbye.